Hi, my name is Nupur Sehgal. I'm one of the finalists in Mrs. India 2022 this year. And I've managed to come to this amazing workshop, which is kind of 20 kilometers away from Lucknow. But it's a hidden gem, trust you me. This is the workshop of a budding sculptor, Siddharth Kumar. And he's from Gonda, actually. But he stays in Lucknow for the last 12 years. And in fact, he has completed his degree in creative arts from Lucknow University only. As you can see, he has his team members and some of his works as well. And look at his few works in completion. And moving ahead, we have other team members too here. So here is the master room, and this is Siddharth. Hi Siddharth. How are you, Siddharth?
I am fine, ma'am.
Great, Siddharth. It was so nice to meet you today. So Siddharth, बताइए आप क्या बना रहे हैं इस समय?
जी मैम, ये वॉल म्यूरल बना रहे हैं इसमें हम प्रेजेंट टाइम में। जी, ये जो है 16 बाई 8 फीट का है और ये अभी तैयार है मैम।
तो अभी इसमें और क्या काम बचता है?
इसमें अभी मैम मोल्डिंग है, कास्टिंग है, उसके बाद में कास्टिंग के बाद में फाइबर ग्लास में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद में ये कलरिंग होगा।
This is really beautiful, guys. Look at this. So actually this work is almost to completion and it goes in fiberglass. And Siddharth, सिर्फ आपका ये इकलौता काम नहीं है शायद, right?
जी, इकलौता नहीं है मैम, मैंने बहुत सारे काम किए लखनऊ में और बाहर भी।
Great. So he has his full portfolio, which is on his mobile. So Siddharth, because आप budding artist हैं, ठीक होगा अगर मैं आपका email address और मोबाइल नंबर अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करूँ?
जी बिल्कुल शेयर करिए मैम, जिससे जो है कांटेक्ट बढ़ेगा और कांटेक्ट मिलेगा भी।
Perfect, guys. So I'll be sharing his details and we'll be very happy to get a response. And Siddharth, more to see you as a budding artist. Thank you so much for your time. Take care, Siddharth. Bye. Bye, guys.